So I'm stepping on my teacher-ish for this video here. So as you can see by this blog title, Cryptocurrency Guide, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, altcoins, 100x, 50x gems. Yeah, that's my name. Right, so we're gonna go to where you guys can purchase my ebook for everything that you need to know. In my previous video, I showed you the bull market, the bear market, and how you should operate around that. This video, I'm showing you a gem, VRA, which can 27x your money from now going on to the bull market. So if you didn't watch the other video, go watch it. Or you could just get the ebook, which I generally recommend. So here you go. You go here and then you can buy it easy, £88. You get a worldwide cheat guide and you get a referral program where you can make money from home. That's all you have to do, and you can be making this money. You'll make this money back in no time. So this video is just based on this gem that I'm gonna show you, and this one is VRA. So we'll go here. CoinMarketCap's my favorite for watching this stuff, and we can see that this is gonna hit about 30 cents, 35 cents, guaranteed. Yeah, guaranteed. So cool, you're gonna ask me what is this? This is Coin Codex. As you can see, this is where you put the investment amount. I've got 1,500 AIM. Okay, this is your buy price. So you want to insert how much that's gonna cost from VRA into here. That's the buy price of how much you can buy one VRA for right now. That's the price right there. So you want to sell at the price I'm telling you are guaranteed hitting. Okay, so that's your sell price. Now that formula has just made an equation. This will be your profit from your investment of 1,500, buying at this price now and selling at that price later on in its high in the bull market. This is why I'm also expressing the importance of getting this ebook. Okay, here is the equation. Profit loss 51 grand. You see that as a 34x of your money. Okay, right? Okay, now you may ask me, Ames, I've only got 500. What can I do? So the same box where we put the investment of 1,500, you'd put your investment of 500, whether that's every month, every week, every day, every 2 months. 500 into this coin. That will make you, and you're buying it at this price here, sub 1 cent, and you're selling at 35 cents, you're going to be making 20,000 profit. It's rounded up, 34x your money. So let's go back to VRA. We'll look at the market cap. That's about 100 mil. For this to get to the 35x, it is nothing. 34x. This just has to times by right. So basically, and what I'd say if I wanted to see this like times, I normally use ChatGPT. I'm not as smooth with this, but crypto as a whole, we're going to be having about $12 trillion come into the marketplace by 2025. So this is only 115 million as a market cap, as you can see here, right? And that going up now to around even a billion, that is a 10x from here. So that going up to like 1.5 billion, that is about like, we can do the math together, but you get it. You lot can go do that stuff yourself. I'm just telling you from my team, our Patreon, what we know what's happening with this coin. And yeah, so I'm just giving you the gem. I'm not working out the tokenomics on this exact video. We can do that on TikTok live where it's much smoother. I just came on literally quick just to show you lot that this is a 34x gem. I've been in it since. Let me just show you guys. I can show you. Obviously, I'm not logged in on my wallet and that, but this is where I've been in. Okay, you can see the date there. Like I've already made a okay amount of money. Nothing crazy. Like it's nothing. I will not take out profits anytime soon. But I've been in around like 2-3 months ago. So yeah, you can see where we're going with this. See what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, don't miss out on this coin. This is very good for you guys. If you don't want to make this money, get into it. This is another 10x guaranteed coin. And I'm telling you it's 34x. So it's going to be about 50 cents for one VRA. That's perfect. People's been making money from this coin. Those have been holding. The real people from the bear market, they're going to be seeing like 50x, 100x of this coin. So yeah, you guys can still see a 34x from this coin. VRA, you lot can go get the ebook to show you. It'll show you how to store your coin without having risk of like these centralized platforms like Coinbase taking your funds or freezing your account. You can sell, you can buy, exit strategies, everything. So yeah, this coin is on the Ethereum blockchain. This is why we have loads of faith in it. And yeah, we're gonna keep doing more of these videos, and so you lot can see really where we're gonna be going with this. And yeah, this is one of the coins. I'm just making a long form video for this, and I hope you lot enjoyed it, and I hope you lot do get your bags in, because yeah, you lot will see that eventually in the future. Yeah, like Ames was talking facts. He already invested his money, and then when people see that I invested my money and I made bang from it, that's when everyone's just gonna be buying my ebook. So it makes no difference to me whether you do or you don't, because men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. Is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, shout out my people and everyone else that's on this journey with me, everyone that's tapped in. Subscribe, like, comment, and go subscribe and then follow my Twitter and my Insta. That'll be down below. And then you can go and buy this ebook. There you go. Has everything you need to know. But yeah, take care, you lot. Stay, up there, and go and get involved with this ebook business and see where it takes you by 2025. Pretty simple, you lot. Well, love for tuning in though. It's always an appreciation for you guys watching. You know what I'm saying? It's always been a passion of mine. You know what I'm saying? Teaching people how to make money. That's always, and like helping. That's it. So anything that I won't do for someone else, I won't do it for me, and I definitely won't teach you. But all the coins that I'm in, I already got a bag in VRA. I can show you on a TikTok live stream one day, or even on here, when I picked up enough momentum, like maybe a couple months, 2, 3, 4 months. I'll show you my wallets and my positions and things. But I am definitely in this project, right? I'm not no mainstream YouTuber. I'm just showing you from the what's it called, the underground, or even below the underground. Like these stuffs are coming up. So that's VRA. Go get into it. Take your time. Do your research as you need. You don't got as much proof as you need. Like if I go back, you got to see this little blog. I've got like a load of the news basically on how BTC will go up to 500,000 by 2025. That is not just news speculating. Solana will touch 500. I wrote this a couple of weeks ago. You can see here March the 13th. Solana's going to hit about $100. And that's just Gara. And XRP, $50, 25 minimal. Ethereum hitting 180,000. You can join our Telegrams, my Twitter, my TikTok. And yeah, there you go. So love for staying tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.